Hi, I'm herein, professional investor. Quite often I get people that are looking for note buying training. They're looking for a way to be trained to become a buyer of notes, right? And they're looking for that through the internet. They go on YouTube and there's a lot of information out there on YouTube about how to buy notes and how to become a note investor. The problem with it is not that the information is not out there, it's that it's not organized, right? You don't know what to watch first, you don't know what's important, you don't know what's just really useless. It's just not organized. And so if you're looking for real note buying training, what I suggest to people is, yeah, go to YouTube, watch as much information as you can, but you should sign up for a professional course, in my opinion. And so what I've done is I've developed a course that I give away for free. It's a mini course only, it's not a full course, but it's designed to give you some insight into mortgage note investing so that you can decide if it makes sense for you. The mini course is called Note Investing for Newbies. How you like that, huh? And you can sign up for that mini course for free at noteinvestingfornewbies.com. And at the website, noteinvestingfornewbies.com, you can download that mini course and you can watch it at your leisure. After you're done watching it, you may have questions, and if you do, feel free to just schedule a time with me to talk, and I'll be happy to answer your questions and see if I can point you in the right direction. I started investing in mortgage notes back in 2013, and at that time I decided that I was no longer going to be in the brick and mortar space. In other words, I didn't want any more rental homes and I didn't want to flip any more properties. Even though I did flip a few more properties after that, but pretty much I phased myself out of that and I haven't flipped anything at all this year. And I don't plan to flip any more properties unless it happens to fall right into my lap, right? In my backyard or something like that. But other than that, I don't plan to do that. I make really good returns on my investment dollars through notes, and I don't have any hassles like that because I don't own the real estate. And so when people ask me, how can I learn to buy mortgage notes, right? And I say, look, you just need to just take a little course so that you can learn it. Once you decide that you actually want to step into the space, what I would like to do is point you in the right direction and help you get started and show you how you can actually build a really nice mortgage note investing portfolio for yourself, which you can pass on to your kids and grandkids. It's a great way to pass down wealth because you're not just passing down bricks and mortar, you're passing down cash flow. You see, because when you're a mortgage note investor, what you're collecting every month is mortgage payments, interest. And all you've got to do is just pass that on. And believe me, all of your heirs would be happy to receive thousands or even tens of thousands of dollars per month for decades because you set up a mortgage note portfolio. Not a single one of them will turn their nose up at that. I can guarantee it, okay? So that's a nice legacy to leave. And I show people how to accomplish that with mortgage notes. If you'd like to learn how to do that, start by taking the mini course at noteinvestingfornewbies.com, and then after taking the course, if you want to know more, just reach out to me and we'll schedule a time to talk. Okay? So there you go, guys. Again, my name is herein, professional investor, and I want to thank you so much for watching, and God bless you.